Hi, we're Team 4, and this is our milestone 2 walkthrough for Hotel Seneca, our hotel reservation system built with JavaFX, Hibernate, JPA, SQLite, and Guice.
I will be covering how our project handles persistence and its main design pattern. Hotel PU persistence unit registers our 5 JPA entities and configures Hibernate to connect to SQL. JPA util creates the entity manager factory once as a static singleton for the entire app, while each repository operation creates a separate entity manager. Our JPA reservation repository then performs the actual database work. As you can see inside the create booking, it saves and reuses the guests, it finds rooms making sure that there are no date conflicts, add-ons, and also saves the reservation and invoice together in one transaction. App context keeps our repositories and services shared, and app config exposes those same objects through Guice. The factory pattern, we have a room factory that keeps the room creation in one place. Finally, we use the strategy pattern. For the standard pricing strategy, we only use the base price rate, and for the weekend pricing, we apply a pricing configuration weekend multiplier only on Saturday and Sunday.
I'll be expanding our database design. So first, our database consists of 5 main entity classes: room, guest, reservation, invoice, and add-ons. For relationships, first we have a many-to-one relationship between reservations and guests. A guest can make multiple reservations over time, but each reservation belongs to exactly one guest. So we implement this using many-to-one annotation and join column annotation, where the guest ID is stored as the foreign key in the reservation table. Next, we have a one-to-one relationship between the reservation and the invoice. So each reservation has exactly one invoice, and each invoice must belong to one reservation. Then we use two join tables to handle our many-to-many relationships. The reservation rooms table allows one reservation to include multiple rooms, and one room can be associated with many different reservations. Similarly, the reservation add-ons table connects the reservation with add-ons. These relationships are implemented using the many-to-many annotation and join table annotation.
Children, we will do 4 adults here. Continue. This is where we add the dates. It should, when the user enters the date, there should be a dynamically added part here. We haven't done that. We will do that in the next step, in the next iteration, where it shows if it's available. Then we'll add, here it's supposed to determine the number of rooms for 4 people, which is one double. If we do 0, we're going to get an error. So we have to do 2. This is the add-ons here, which is dynamically priced in the estimate. But we're going to add all of them. Continue. Here we'll put all the names. If we try to go without providing names of the main user that's being on the booking, it will give us errors. And then confirm, uh, review and confirm. Here I'll show you everything before we press confirm. When then it will create a reservation booking in the database. And to see if it worked, and this is our new booking.